Researchers at Purdue are in the process of a breakthrough in the construction of bridges. News 18's Cameron Harden joins us now with how a local project could change how bridges are made on a national scale. Cameron.
Gina, the process remains the same, hammering giant piles of steel into the ground. However, with one little change of the shape of the pile, it's looking like one difference could make a huge difference. When NDOT and the city made the decision to replace the eastbound bridge over the Wabash, they were looking into possible foundation solutions due to the type of soil. That's when Purdue's civil engineering professor and researcher Rod Salgado got to work on an open-ended pipe pile, rather than the typical rounded pile.
NDOT hasn't really used these larger diameter pipe piles. Piles this large and even larger are common in the offshore industry. That's how you build oil production platforms and things like that.
So what makes this bridge so special? Salgado says it's because of the soil profile where the bridge is being constructed. There's a lot of gravel and cobble, and a rounded pile would be much more difficult to put in.
Because you can drive them into the ground more easily than a pile with a closed tip. The issue is that when you go design them, try to figure out how much load they can take. The fact that they are open-ended creates complexities.
That's what Salgado and his team are continuing to research. They're perfecting their craft and testing how much force these piles can take.
We are load testing. That means we're applying load on these piles against a reaction frame, and we're studying how the piles respond to loading as you keep increasing the load.
He says there have been a few projects around the country where this technique is done, but he is hoping his research and results from the Wabash Bridge construction help start a new trend.
The number of projects is really small. I think in part that may be because we don't yet have the methods to estimate these loads as accurately as you would like. I think as you understand that better, I think the use might go up significantly.
Salgado says this technique is the most economical solution for this project, but knows right now it's a case-by-case basis. Cameron Harden, News 18.